Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. It is not required that you only need a color variant, but if you have different variant name, then still you can separate them on the collection pages. So I will show you step by step that how you can do it yourself by just copy and pasting the code. So you should follow each step from the video. So here on my screen you can see that we have different products, but only one color is displaying. All the other colors are not displaying. So we are interested to display all the other colors also on the collection page. And one more thing is that all the collections which we have in our store, so the products will be separated on the basis of color or whichever variant you have chosen on all the collection pages. If you want to make it specific to any specific collection, for example, you have a collection and you want this feature only to that collection page, so that is also possible. We can actually write the condition, and on the basis of that condition we can implement that feature also. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it into your store. So you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed taste theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already given the complete playlist videos link in the description, so you can explore all the playlist. You can explore the playlist. If you are finding the relevant theme, then that's fine. Otherwise you can directly message me. I will create a video for you, or maybe I will create a code directly into your store. So this version is 15.2.0. so if you have any other versions also, then you can still use inside the taste theme. Alright, so the first step is that you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because if you are making any mistake or you have any problem with the code, so you can actually roll it back to its original version. Once you are done with duplicating this theme, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. So here you will be finding some folders and files. So basically we are following the documentation. I have already written the documentation. I have given the link below in the description. So once you are downloading that documentation, once you are downloading the code, you will be finding these three files. Now the first file is document.txt. So you should open this file, and inside of it you will find that we have completely mentioned all the steps which we are actually implementing in this video. Now the first step is that you should create a new snippet, color-variant. So you should copy the name of this file, and you should click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, and then click on done. So in that way you are actually creating an empty file inside of your theme, and then again go back to the documentation, follow the second step, which is create another new snippet, color-card-product. So you should copy it and then go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. So in that way you have actually created two empty files of the snippet, and now we need to paste the code which I have attached. Here you will be finding color-variant.txt. so you should open this file and copy this complete code, and then you should paste it inside of this color-variant.liquid. So I have pasted it, and then you can save the changes and then close this file. Go back to the files. You should open color-card-product.txt, copy this complete code, and then go back here and paste it inside of color-card-product.liquid, and then after you should save the changes. So here we go, we have saved the changes, and now we need to close this file also. Now we are back to the documentation. We have the third step. We already completed two steps. Now the third step says that you should go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid. So you should copy the name from here and search it inside of search box, and you will find main-collection-product-grid.liquid, and inside of this file you have to find card-product. So let me copy it, and here we have card-product. So you can see that it is already highlighted. So we are going to replace it with color-variant. So you should replace this card-product with color-variant. We have done that. Now back to the documentation. We have last and final step, which is remove li tag around the card product render component. So that means you have this component and around it we have li tag. So we are going to remove this opening tag as well as closing tag. So in that way we have removed according to the documentation. So once you are done with all these changes, then you should save the changes. And here we go. We have to close it. And now it's time to test this feature. So let me refresh this page. Once you refreshed, you can see that we have all the colors displayed on this collection page. Earlier we only had some of the colors, I mean one color, but now we have all the colors displayed on this collection page. If we are going to any other collection page, here we go. You can see that we have all the colors displayed on this collection page also. So this is really simple. I mean, looking more beautiful, more attractive, and of course your customers will have the possibility to choose one of the color, because on the basis of color they can actually decide better. So that's how you can boost the sales of your store, and this feature is really attracting more customers. All right. So if you are facing any issues or something, then you can directly message me. I will help you out in solving any of the problem which you are facing. If you have a new store to create, or maybe you want any customization into that, if you have any new design to make into the store, or maybe create a new section, so I can help you out in anything related to Shopify. So feel free to ask me the questions. I have given the WhatsApp number, given the other contact details, so you can message me anytime. I am ready to help you in boosting your sales, improving your store, and make it more attractive. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video, and you should also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and you can join a WhatsApp group I have created. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.